Hey guys, Bing here. In day 107, we did this perforated panel exercise, and it's a little bit hard to follow because there's no voice. So today I'm going to do another one, so something similar. Okay, so let's do it. So first, the first thing, so you need to find a DWG file. So here, this is a file I found on the internet, and so you just need to just tidy up this file. So just get rid of all the dimension, anything you don't need, just only the profile itself. And sometimes it's better just explode them to make sure that's only all individual lines. Yeah, and also it's better to move it to 0 point. So just place this point and then typing 0 0. Oops. Sorry, I haven't used AutoCAD for a long time. I'll just do a line. Let me try to find the 0 point. Okay, so yeah, and so it looks like yeah, it's here. So I'm going to move all these line to this point. And I'll delete this one. So that's it. So this is the profile we're going to use. Okay, so now I'll save it. It's and go create a new generic. Oh, sorry, not generic model. Yes, generic model. So we will need to model this in a generic model and then load it into a curtain panel. Okay, so first go to elevation. So we are going to, so this will depending on the panel, the maximum panel, we want to model it slightly bigger than the max panel. So for example, if I have a panel, the maximum size is 1 meter by 1 meter, for example. So I'll just roughly place some reference plane there, and then so we know where the 1 meter by 1 meter is. So yeah, and also because my computer says too slow, so it would take too long to model a 3 meter panel, perforated panel. So okay, so let's start. So this is 1 meter by 1 meter. So we're going to model it slightly bigger than this. So okay, so create extrusion, and so now we can go to insert and then load import CAD. Okay, import CAD. So select that file and then open it. So and I think that's the only option we have. So yes, and then we will have this sketch line. So that's nice. So now we can just move them to roughly here. If we want to, you can move them even like over this reference plane, but I'll just stop here. So, and also I try to reduce the number of these. So I'm going to use a scale, SRE scale. I'm just going to make it bigger. Okay, so I'll make this. So this looks like one inch each one. I'll just make it 100 mil each one. So yeah, so my computer will be faster. Otherwise, I'll take minutes. So now just to copy them to to fill this whole panel. Okay, so yeah, it's okay to just, oh, maybe I'll just center this as well. So okay, and maybe I'll just move them down by 50 as well. Yeah, nice. So, and I'll just copy them up. And another one. Yeah, it's getting slower already. So yeah, it's perfect. So that's it. So I think this will be it. So you will be able to let's just create a material parameter here. Oh, sorry, I click on the wrong thing. So click this one, create a material parameter, and type is fine, and okay, and also the thickness. So I'll just type in 20. So if you want to, you can create some reference plan, and can go to floor plan. You can let me just quickly do it. Okay, so reference plan, di dimension equal, and another reference dimension. So create a thickness parameter. So type is okay, and then you can just select this and drag this onto that reference plane and a lock. Where's my lock? Where's my lock? Hang on. Interesting. Anyway, I'll do this maybe lock and do this lock. Okay, so now this is the panel. Oh, sorry, wrong. We need a boundary around that. So just edit extrusion. So go to front again. So we just need to roughly place another box around these. Okay. And then click. Yeah, so this is why if your computer is not fast enough, this is not recommended. Okay. Okay, that's it. Finish. Okay, so now this. So if we go to 3D view, you can see it's perforated panel. It's a very thick panel, so we can change the thickness to maybe 10 mil. Apply. Okay, so all good. Now we can create a new family. So this is a generic model, and we're going to create a new family. So this time it will be a curtain wall panel in open. Okay, so now let's go back to this generic model, load this into this curtain panel, and place it in the center, and okay, go to elevation. So now we just need a void to cut away the edge of this panel. Okay, so let's go create a new family. So this time it will be a generic model, face based, and okay. And so in this family, we're going to quickly place some reference plan, di dimension equal dimension equal and dimension, and then create a new parameter. It will be instance parameter. Okay, so width and also the height instance, and okay. So now create a new create a void extrusion, and then so first create full. Hang on, it's not lock onto that one. That's fine. I'll just lock these three first and then align it to here. So, and then we need another one just to draw a big one. So this void will be empty in the middle and then void around that. So finish, and also go to front view. We just need to make sure this void, instead of going up, going down, so we can cut the base. Okay, so go back to 3D view, so we can see this is the void and this is base. So now we can cut base, void. Okay, so now that's it. So load this into the which one? Maybe this one. And yep, so go to 3D view. So let's place it in 3D view. So see, place on face and then place it on the face of this panel. What's happening here? Okay, so yep. So I know what's happening here. So let's have a look of this face-based void, because I forgot to change the width and the height, and they are too big for now. So what I'm going to do is I'll change these to maybe 500 by 500 for now. So 50, that's fine. I'll change that back to 500. Okay, so load this back into family 12, and also I'll just override the parameter. So, and then create component and place this face-based. So now you can see it cut. So because now the hole is small enough to cut the panel. So previously it's too big, so it's not cutting. Let's go to elevation. So select edge of this void. So see, this is a void, and then drag this. Okay, and before that, actually I'm going to drag this reference plane. This reference plane controls the size of the curtain panel size. So I need to make them smaller for now, and then also select this void and then drag this onto the reference plane and lock. Onto the reference plane and lock. Onto the reference plane and lock, and onto the reference plane and lock. Okay, so yeah, don't worry about this too much, because now it's currently higher than 1 meter. So see, that's why. And I said when you can make this panel bigger if your maximum height is bigger, because I just make it smaller so my computer can run it properly. So okay, so now this is finished. It's finished, yes. And then we're just going to edit type. We're going to link this material parameter and the thickness parameter, so we will be able to control this in the project. So okay, so first one, thickness. I'll call it panel thickness, and okay. So also this one will be panel material, and okay, and okay, and okay. So now we can create a project. Oh, sorry, wrong one. New project and architecture, and I'll place a curtain wall. Okay, so curtain wall, and I'll reduce the size, and I'll duplicate this one, and I'll create a new one. So I'll call it new, and of course the maximum will be 1 meter, and also maximum width will be maximum spacing 1 meter. So I made it. So, and then you can change this. Just I haven't. Sorry, I'll leave it for now. I'll do it manually. So, and also these, that I'll leave it for now. So now we have this curtain panel. So we can load the. Sorry, we have this curtain wall. We have this panel. Load this panel into the project, and then we can tab select one of the panel. We can change it to this one. And also we can also do this edit type and change the panel, so all the panel will be that perforated panel. Okay, so and that's it. Turn on the shadow. So and you can add grid. So for example, I'll just add a grid here, and this panel will become 2 instead of 1. So I'll add another horizontal grid here. Okay, so see, if you tab select, so you can see this is one panel, and this is one panel. Looks like we have something here. Okay, let's fix it. Edit family. So I think this comes from the void. So see, this is void and edit family. So now select. So this is the base of this face-based family. So it's a base. See, this is a thickness. So I'm going to just change it to maybe -10. Now it's a very thin base. Then load this back to the curtain panel family, and then overwrite. Now it's a very thin panel now. So load this into the project. Overwrite. Okay, so yep, so now it's perfect. A perforated panel, curtain wall panel, and then it will change depending on the grid. Oh, can I select the grid? Oh. Here. I'm having some issue. I'm trying to select this. Anyway, so that's it. If you have any question, please let me know. Yeah, just make sure. So if you have I'll show you. So if I delete this grid, there'll be some issue, I believe. Delete? No, I can't delete. Remove. See? So this is why. If your maximum panel size is larger than 1 meter, you just need to make sure in this family, in this generic model, which we load. Oh, sorry, this is generic model. You need to model this to be larger, to be bigger than the maximum panel. So in here, I only model it slightly bigger than 1 meter by 1 meter, but you probably need bigger one. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Do you want me to upload this family? Maybe yes. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.